The Transport and Works Ministry continues to improve Jamaica's main road network to provide safe, efficient, and high-quality travel services. Part of the objective is to support the development of economic sectors. As part of its overall development plan, the government took the decision years ago to focus on improving the North-South link, or corridors linking the northern side of the country to the southern side of the island. The road from Maypen through Chapelton and Brownstown to Runaway Bay has been identified as a critical link in the developmental agenda of enhancing the movement of people and services between the south and the north. On June 19, 2014, Minister of Transport, Works and Housing Dr. Omar Davies signed a contract for major infrastructure development work from Soursop Turn to Danks in Clarendon.
The intention is to have A1 roads between major townships linking the north and the south. So this particular corridor that we're now working on, the first phase, which is 10.5 kilometers, is just one of three that we have identified. The others being that from Stony Hill through Toms River down to Agwaltaville in St. Mary, and the other in the west, which is the road from Ferris to Macfield to Shuttlewood down to Reading in St. James.
Commuters who travel on the main road between Soursop Turn and Chapelton in Clarendon will be the first to benefit from improvements to that corridor when Phase 1 of the project is completed. The work started in September 2014. When it's completed and opened in March 2016, commute should be significantly easier for residents of Cocoa Peace, Four Paths, New Longsville, New Road, Soursop Turn, Chapelton, and other communities. The $1.2 billion road reconstruction works is being done by contractors Asphaltic Concrete Enterprise Limited and General Paving Company Limited and managed by the National Works Agency. Joint financing is being provided by the Government of Jamaica and the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC.
The original road, as it was, sections were quite narrow. The side distance was nil in some areas. There were a lot of corners, and you have situations where the drainage infrastructure was also compromised because the development of this road would have taken place years ago, and so much would have happened since that time.
In the process of widening the road, the team has to carry out some 69,000 cubic meters of rock excavation works, as well as earth filling works. They've also been installing some 33 drainage pipes and removing or rebuilding over 40 boundary fences. Pipe laying is also taking place to ensure the roads won't have to be dug up for waterworks at a later date.
It's really to give a better quality product to our customers and to the citizens of Jamaica, because no one would want to see, having spent this kind of money, another company coming on board to undo much of what would have already done.
The impact of the project in terms of job creation has been significant. More than 1,000 persons, mostly from Clarendon, have been employed since it started, and many more are to benefit before it ends. In the meantime, work on Phase 2 of the project, including land acquisition and surveys, has started. This phase extends the road development along the Chapelton to Trout Hall corridor.
We are going to be taking on another 10 or 11 kilometers of road. Part of that particular stretch of road would be the Cupious Bridge, which we have actually pulled from that phase 2 works, and we are going to be implementing as part of the major infrastructure development program. And we intend to start working on the Cupious Bridge before the end of this financial year.
The transformation of the corridor linking Maypen in the south of the island to Runaway Bay in the north provides for reduction in travel time and safe, reliable commuting. The Ministry of Transport, Works and Housing, a driving force for economic development and improved standards for all Jamaicans.